Fathom Enterprise Analytics App. The pros, the cons. Fathom Enterprise Analytics App is gaining attention as a privacy-focused alternative to traditional analytics platforms, but most people get this wrong. It's not just about compliance. The surprising truth is that Fathom delivers simple, accurate analytics without compromising user privacy, making it ideal for enterprises concerned about data protection. One major pro is its simplicity. Unlike complex platforms, Fathom presents metrics in a clear, easy-to-understand dashboard. For example, a global marketing team can instantly track website visits, conversion rates, and referral sources without digging through confusing reports. Fathom is also fully GDPR, CISPA, and PECR compliant, so enterprises can collect data without worrying about legal complications. This is especially important for companies operating in regions with strict privacy regulations. Another advantage is speed and reliability. Fathom uses lightweight scripts, so website performance isn't slowed down by analytics tracking, which can be a common issue with larger platforms. However, there are cons. Fathom doesn't offer the same depth of features as enterprise giants like Google Analytics, such as advanced segmentation or AB testing. For highly complex campaigns, teams may find it limiting. Additionally, integrations with other tools are fewer, so some workflow automation may require workarounds. In conclusion, Fathom Enterprise Analytics App is perfect for privacy-conscious enterprises that want simple, fast, and compliant analytics. While it may lack some advanced features, its focus on clarity and privacy makes it a smart choice for organizations that value straightforward, actionable insights without sacrificing user trust.